Welcome to Shloks Lego World. Today we're going to make Amongus character. What's Amongus? Amongus is an online game which you play with your friends and you have fun. This is my imaginary Amongus. Now I'm going to show you the pieces required to make the legoamongus build. Before I start doing it, please smash the subscribe button so you can see all my videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon. These are all the parts now to make it. Now let's build it. This is a quick build and I just did it in 2 minutes. And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon. And thanks for watching Shloks Lego World. I found the treasure. Here is it. This is unbeatable. I'm taking it to my office room to discover all about this secret stone.